Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you the Oittm. It's a car air pump. So I've unboxed and reviewed other Oittm automotive products. I have unboxed an awesome battery jump starter. So I'm excited to see what this air pump's like for your car. That being said, I did get some feedback from the last video. You guys really want to see these things in action, so I'll go ahead. We'll unbox it here. We'll talk about it for a minute, then I'll go outside and we'll actually film it pumping up my car's tires so you can see it through and through. So really appreciate your guys' patience and give me that feedback. So that being said, here it is. The link's in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out, see if it's the right pump for you. But this is how it comes packaged to you. Pretty neat, pretty simple packaging, just a nice durable cardboard box. And now we'll just open it up and see what we got. Really happy with Oittm products. They're just awesome. I've done a lot of stuff. They make some really cool technology stuff, so go ahead. I got a playlist, and I'll link those videos here so you can check them out too. But this looks pretty sweet. Really light, portable, compact. Would be perfect just to store in your car. Just showing your product description, instructions, multifunction nozzle and fuse, which is cool. Current pressure, so it will do a digital display. Yeah, so this looks awesome. It says this pump's equipped with an LED lamp to be more convenient at night. So that's cool. If you've got to pump this thing up at night, there you go. You can turn that on and off. So what I'm seeing is on this side, here's all your little nozzles if you want to pump up like sports balls, that sort of thing, inner tubes. There you go. A long 12-volt DC car adapter right here. That cable should be able to get to all 4 tires, which is cool. And then this side, you have your air hose. Also has a pretty good length to it. I'm happy with that. And that's about it from here. All right, so I'm outside. It was really easy to plug into my car. That is the current digital reading of the tire, my driver's front. So really easy to read, really cool, really straightforward. If we want to increase it, there's 32, and we'll go ahead. That's 32 PSI, it's done. And then I'll showcase this cool light. Now it's daylight out here, but you can see that that is bright. It just would be perfect amount of light for you to be able to use this at night to inflate your tires. So really easy to use. The R just cycles through different measurements back to PSI. So plus minus, really straightforward, really easy to use, really cool. Light's super handy. Cord's plenty long. And that's plugged in to the center console right there. Lights up too, which is nice. So that was my review of this awesome Oittm product. Go ahead, check it out. Links in the description below. You can see the other Oittm products I've reviewed before too. Great company. Check them out on Amazon. They did send me this to review and I was really happy with it, but this whole review was just my own opinions, nothing that they told me to do. So appreciate you guys watching. Leave me comments. I do interact with you all there and I will listen to your feedback. Hit that like button, hit that sub button. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks.